Hello and welcome to another Outlaw walkthrough. Today we are going to be discussing the Outlaw dashboard and everything that comes with that, how to create filters, how to create new reports, and how to view your own personal reports as well as your org's reports. So first things first, we are on your Outlaw or document assembly, or maybe if you are a Filevine client as well, FEDA. It has many names that we know it by, but we are signed in and we are on the landing page, which is the dashboard. You can see right here. From here, I have a few things that I can do. So I can actually view my dashboard. From here, I can view my recent contracts, my actual contracts, and the different phases that they're in, when they're updated, the titles, different things like that. So that is all built in. And the nice thing is, you can rearrange these depending on how you want to view your data. The next thing to note is from my dashboard, I can come here and I can create a new report. I have one already for my contracts here. You're also able to come down here and you can either choose the default or pipeline totals. If you choose default, you can select these different ones. It is a maximum of 4 columns. If you don't want these, you can always just use the X by the side and then come in and choose which one you want. If you wanted to use the pipeline totals, we can go ahead and create that report right now. And you can see that this just came through. We already have one of the pipeline totals showing, so this is what they look like, but we went ahead and added another one in just like that. Now, if you wanted to create a dashboard for your actual organization, the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to create a filter, at least one filter in your contracts tab over on the left. So I've already created this. This is a filter that I have running and it is my completed contracts. Now say I want to run another one and have another org specific dashboard report. I can just go ahead and navigate over here to the left to my contracts. I can go ahead and click on that. And from here, let me just move my little face. From here, we can select the different filters. So you can see so like I was saying, you can come up here and you can customize the name, make the title anything you want. I'll just go ahead and make it generic and just call it contracts and setup phase. And then for here, for the visibility, you do have where you can either do just me, or if you want to share it with your whole org, maybe your whole team would benefit from seeing this report and this filter, and you can go ahead and do so. So we'll just hit save here. And then we'll navigate back over to our dashboard. And from here, I'm going to select the Find Skills dropdown, which will be the name of your org, whatever that may be. And then we're going to hit Create New Report. And then you'll come in here and you'll see now I have 2 different filters. I have one that's in the completed contracts. I already made that one previously. And now I have contracts in the setup phase. So we'd go ahead and select that. We can then choose, either the default where it's going to be sorted into columns, just like this one we can see behind here, this completed contract. These are the columns, or we can do the pipeline total. So it kind of depends. Let's go ahead and do a pipeline total, and then we can get a side-by-side comparison. So we'll hit Create Report. And then you can see from here that I have 4 in the setup phase, and that is my only filter. I didn't want to bring in these other ones, so then it's not going to show any for those as well. You can also come in here and configure it if you wanted to switch it back to default or anything like that. And obviously you're able to remove it from your dashboard as well. And just like in the other one, you are able to reorganize these depending on your needs. Something else to note just about the dashboard here, either your dashboard or the org dashboard, you're able to come up here to this little email looking button, and you can actually schedule reports to be sent via email. You can come down here and select the frequency, you can choose your time, and then you can turn this on, obviously for weekly as well. You can choose the day and time, and monthly you can choose the day and time. Or if you want to see a copy of your reports now, you can also hit this Send Report Now. Well, that covers the dashboard for us today, and I hope this was helpful.